If I could give myself a first day piece of advice, I think it would be to really cherish that moment of starting at Prototyp, because you will get such a warm welcome from your colleagues that I got even though I started remotely from Berlin.
What I love most about Uppsala is that it's a perfect blend of old and new. You know, it's like living in a time machine.
It's big enough as a city to offer everything, but small enough to be cozy and homey, and that you can bike everywhere in the city in 20 minutes.
One hidden gem that I recently discovered is a place called Kappa Bar. It's a bar where you can play games and they do lots of Twitch streams.
Here at the Uppsala office, we're quite international from different countries and are really into food. So usually for an after work, we go out and eat some good food, have a beer or so and talk. One of the most memorable moments was when we all brought snacks from our childhood or from back home and shared and tasted them all together. We recently started a new office tradition where we play Dungeons and Dragons together.
You know, we sit around the table, get into our characters and just chill out. One new skill that I discovered about myself is my ability to quickly adapt to new technologies and frameworks. I think chess is a good example because it portrays how we work together, just like the pieces on the board.
One of the most interesting pair programming experiences last year was when we were trying to solve some tricky parsing issues while building a chat. A board game that reflects how we work on projects could be Carcassonne, where you have to conquer an ever-changing map. I'd say if Prototyp was an animal, I think it would be an octopus, because there's many arms and many skills and they are really adaptive to the environment. So I'd say adaptiveness and skills.
So we at Prototyp are like the busy bees of the software development world, and just like bees, we thrive on teamwork and collaboration.